Most people get this wrong. They think finance apps only track spending. Nexa Finance in 2026 proves that a modern app can do much more. It helps you save, budget, and grow your money with automation and smart insights that make personal finance effortless. Nexa allows you to set multiple financial goals, whether it's building an emergency fund, paying off debt, or saving for a big purchase. The app automatically allocates your income toward each goal based on your habits, ensuring consistent growth over time. Even modest contributions can compound into meaningful savings thanks to smart automation. The dashboard is intuitive and visual. You can track spending patterns, monitor progress toward your goals, and get alerts for upcoming bills or unusual transactions. This helps prevent overspending and keeps your financial life organized, even if you've never budgeted before. Security is robust. Nexa uses multi-factor authentication, encryption, and constant fraud monitoring. Deposits are FDIC insured, and support is available through chat or email. The main limitation, Nexa focuses on savings and budgeting, not investing. If you want stocks or advanced trading, you'll need another platform. But for anyone seeking a safe, automated, and easy-to-use finance app, Nexa is an excellent choice. So, is Nexa Finance app worth it in 2026? Definitely. If you want a modern, intelligent way to manage money and reach your financial goals, Nexa delivers. Subscribe for more reviews of apps that make your finances smarter and simpler.